Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Do you want to improve your English in a practical way? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore my home and learn vocabulary related to household environments. It's an effective way to boost your vocabulary and improve your pronunciation. Let's begin. Welcome to my home. Let's start our tour in the entrance. From the entrance, you can take the stairs up to the bedrooms. I love the cozy feel of this living room. The kitchen is the heart of the home, right? My favourite spot in the house is my desk by the window, where I love to do my work. The hallway leading to the bedrooms is quite long. My parents' room is the largest bedroom in the house. My sister and I share a cozy bedroom at the end of the hallway. My little sister has a fun and colourful bedroom with her favourite toys. The first door on the left leads to the bathroom, which is shared by all the bedrooms. At the end of the hallway, you'll find the laundry room. Thanks for joining me on this tour of my home. Listen and repeat after me. Welcome.
Welcome
To my home.
to my home.
Let's start.
Let's start
Our tour
our tour
in the entrance.
in the entrance.
From the entrance,
From the entrance,
you can take
you can take
the stairs
the stairs
up to
up to
the bedrooms.
the bedrooms.
I love the cozy
I love the cozy
feel of
feel of
this living room.
this living room.
The kitchen
The kitchen
is the heart
is the heart
of the home,
of the home,
right?
right?
My favourite spot
My favorite spot
in the house
in the house
is my desk
is my desk
by the window,
by the window
where I love
where I love
to do my work.
to do my work.
The hallway
The hallway
leading to
leading to
the bedrooms
the bedrooms
is quite long.
is quite long.
My parents' room
My parents' room
is the largest bedroom
is the largest bedroom
in the house.
in the house.
My sister and I
My sister and I
share a cozy bedroom
share a cozy bedroom
at the end
at the end
of the hallway.
of the hallway.
My little sister
My little sister
has a fun and
has a fun and
colourful bedroom
colorful bedroom
with her favourite toys.
with her favorite toys.
The first door
The first door
on the left leads
on the left leads
to the bathroom,
to the bathroom,
which is shared
which is shared
by all the bedrooms.
by all the bedrooms.
At the end
At the end
of the hallway,
of the hallway,
you'll find
you'll find
the laundry room.
the laundry room.
Thanks for joining
Thanks for joining
me on this tour
me on this tour
of my home.
of my home.
So, there you have it. A little tour of my humble abode, while also brushing up on your English skills. These everyday words and phrases are essential for describing your surroundings and engaging in conversations. Keep practicing and expanding your vocabulary. I hope you enjoyed this home tour and English lesson. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and informative content. See you in the next one.